Welcome to Channel 18's Prize Cave. We've been doing our prize draws now for several months, and we have another one coming up at the end of June. And again, a whole host of fabulous prizes to tell you about, and we're going to be talking about the biggest prize draw of all time.
Oh, great.
In July. But first off, let's stick with June. So if you are a member of Channel 18, you automatically get entered into our prize draws. So do spread the word, tell your mates, because it's just great stuff for nothing.
Yes.
And if you're in, every month that you're in, you get an entry in the draw. So your entries are multiplied for the number of times you are a member of Channel 18. So make sure you register. Now then, the prize is for the June draw, which will take place at the end of June. This fantastic Hager screwdriver, which we've been giving away, and that's got some remarkable responses from the people that have won it. They've all said, love this screwdriver to bits. Marshall-Tufflex, fantastic friends of Marshall-Tufflex. They make Firefly clips, great for the 18th. Because
yeah, that's a new requirement coming in. It stretches even further across the field, so not just for escape routes.
Widen the scope. Well, they're not just giving us their clips. This time they're giving us a gift voucher for a Virgin Experience Day. They're really exciting.
That's good.
All manner of stuff. You can jump out of things, go round things, and you can choose that.
Track Experience Days, love it.
Yep. So that's a Virgin Experience Day, will be available in the June draw. Chauvin, Arnoux, where are those fabby little probes? These have proved very popular too. The magnetic test probes. They really help when you're working on a unit. They just cause your probes to hang on magnetically and really handy. Kidde, they're doing their premium alarm kit with the carbon monoxide detector and the smoke detectors there. So that'll be available in the June draw. Hitachi, this fantastic combi drill with two 3 amp hour batteries.
Wow,
beautiful
good.
thing. Don't be distracted by this one just at the moment. We're coming to that, okay? And then Action Can. New friends at Action Can. We introduced them in our May draw, and they're giving us a whole range of their superb sprays. These things are really good.
Yeah,
Have you tried
great.
them? Really,
no,
really good. No, I was using one the other day.
Okay,
really
good.
nice.
Very good.
Fantastic. So thank you to Action Can for them. And there'll be a whole mix of them. We'll tell you what they are a bit later. And Martindale, where is it? The clamp meter. There you go, fantastic. The
Whoa, that's
CM82.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that, Gary. Fantastic. So that comes with you with the
carry case.
The carry case. I love the carry case.
Yeah, they did a great job with that.
So that is June. So make yourself ready for that June draw.
We're still giving away a regs course and a book and an exam, standard stuff.
That was your job to mention there, Gary. You completely forgot it, didn't you?
Right, no. I just want to reassure you that that's what's happening. There's another one of those.
Of course, there will be one of our full online 18th edition courses, complete with exam and the regs book, but obviously that will be with you once it's published. But by the time that's drawn, it'll be the next day.
It will, yeah.
That'll be drawn on the 30th of June, 1st of July.
Oh, and then, Sunday, the weekend.
It won't be with you immediately, but that will be coming to you.
We'll get that. We'll make that available for you.
So just to keep you engaged here, I'm going to tell you about the July draw, because that's exciting. At the end of July, and we have been piling these prizes up from our lovely friends at various companies for a long time. And they're still coming in. There may even be more than this. But in addition to much of the lovely haul that we usually do, sort of everything's been uprated, okay? So we've got the course, online course, book, exam. That's in the prize draw as well for July. In addition, we've got this amazing £1,500 thermal imaging camera from Chauvin Arnoux. What a phenomenal bit of kit
that is amazing. If you want to measure the temperatures of cables, terminations, connections, that is the boy to do it with.
A lot of people are using those in the ICRs now. They're a great addition. You can't use them to substitute the test.
Complement the test. I think that's going to be the future. Amendment 1 and maybe a bit beyond is going to be looking at new technology to sort of help you with this particular skill, because things are getting more complex these days.
But as long as you're not being naughty about it, it's always a good way to illustrate faults to clients who can't really imagine what's going on. If you can show them a thermal picture, as long as you're not, as long as you're not being naughty, as long as it's a genuine representation of a hotspot or something, it really does get the point over. Work needs to be done. So that's a fantastic prize, and that is a prize in the July draw. We got even more from Action Can. They've been lovely. They've sent us just box loads of stuff. So everything that's left from Action Can will be going. It's about 7 cans of stuff will be going in the July draw. We've got a new friend, Fire Angel.
Yes, Fire Angel. They've kindly donated 2 mains-powered smoke detectors and 1 heat detector, so it's like a pack. And it'd be great for a rewire or a house bungalow. So, yeah, lovely. Thank you very much to those.
Superb. Now, Hager, we've been doing the screwdriver, which got great reviews. In the July bundle, it's got lots of friends. It's coming as a pack of screwdrivers, and there's some cutters as well. So thank you very much to Hager for that. And Martindale, they're doing us an industrial lockout kit. And apparently they're going to add another great bit of test kit, but they haven't quite told us what it is yet. But you can guarantee it, being Martindale, it'll be superb. And then we've got a very interesting one. Our friend Robin Earle at DEHN has given us this. Now, this is a very rare thing. Why is this a very rare thing, Gary?
Well, Dave, the reason it's rare is because it's one of the last few books in that particular product range, because it's only available as a PDF now. Now, we know we like electronic stuff, but as a book, some of the pages, 100 years worth of, well, maybe more really, of you know, I could say it's like the Bible. It
About lightning.
About lightning, surge protection. It's a rare one.
If you work in that field, or you're going to become interested in it, because in the 18th, there's a lot more about surge protection.
I've had my eye on that, really, because I've got the version 2. This is the very last one. They are allegedly not making the book anymore.
You can take your eye off it.
I know, it's going to be a price. I know. I've got the PDF, but, you know, never mind.
So, what a haul it is. And there's one more prize.
Oh, what about the drills?
Didn't I mention them?
No,
Hitachi. No, because it's written at the bottom, that's right. So, not just one, but we got the drill and the impact driver.
I feel like Lara Croft here.
Who's Lara Croft?
Well, another story.
80s reference. 5 amp-hour batteries. Look at the size of those things. Amazing.
Oh, it's very good.
Beautiful. So that's from our friends at Hitachi. Thank you for them. See, people are joining all the time. You can hear them coming in. No, but the other thing I was going to mention is we're chucking in a special prize here. If you buy one of our courses before the end of June, if you go online and buy one of our courses, full courses, not the update, full course, before the end of June, you will go into a special draw. Not just Channel 18, this is a purchasers only draw.
Yeah, that's true.
And the winner of that draw will get...
Us too?
We'll come to you, and you can invite up to 4 mates to join you, take you out for some lunch, have a chat about the regs, just discuss anything you want to discuss. This man's got the brain the size of a planet when it comes to regulations, so you can drill him for information, exam tips, whatever you like. We'll come and see you, bit of socialising, bit of electrical chat, bit of catching up, really.
They could do that at the beginning of the course, in the middle, so you could grab a few questions, or, you know, just have a sociable time. So it's just something there.
Or just a relaxed date with you, wherever you choose. So that's a special prize, but you've got to have purchased the full course from us before the end of June. So crack on. Go to Channel 18 if you've not already registered. Go there, learninglounge.com/Channel 18. Have a look at everything there, the sample content, the special early bird pricing, everything's there.
It's all available now.
And we want to join you online.
Very soon.
Don't forget the draw, 30th of June, end of July,
See you
the
then.
big one. See you then.
See you
Bye.
then. Thank you, bye.